Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
What's up, No Pros? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be unboxing this Maisto. I still don't know how. You know what? Let's ask Alexa how we pronounce this. Hey Alexa, how do you say Maisto?
I pronounce that Maisto, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
Okay, I think you got it. So, Maisto, we're going to be unboxing this Maisto Tech RC Skill Level 2 with full function Express Lane RC, and it's coming up to you next on No Pros RC. Maisto. And I can already see we got the wire tie deal going here. And we have the Maisto radio control vehicle instructions here in English. Okay, it's only in English. I thought Spanish would be on the back, but it's in English in the back too, so I'm not sure why they had to emphasize that it's in English if it's in English in the front and the back. Okay, let's get rid of that. Alright, so here's what we got before we actually take it out of the box. We got the controller right there. We got this clear looking body here, which you can actually see what's going on inside, which really doesn't look like much. And I'm not sure if this is a nice touch or not, the little plastic clips that can come off. I assume there's 4 of them, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, to actually get a better look at what's going on inside there. So yeah, I mean, the overall look of it, honestly, it looks good. I don't know what car it is mimicking, but the body lines look good. If I, if I must say so, the body line looks good. It reminds you of a NASCAR type. So yeah, let's get it out the box and get a better look at it, shall we? Kids, don't try this at home. Please consult with an adult and use a pair of scissors and not a Smith & Wesson and not a Smith & Wesson special tactical knife. Okay, all right, we got the transmitter out, and now we have to take off 1 wire tie, 2 wire tie, and whatever this is here. This off. These looks like the straws that you put the antenna in. The Maisto Fast Lane RC. Your tires are indeed rubber. The vehicle itself takes 4 no, well, let's find out. Let's not speculate. I know I read it, but let's just count it to be sure. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AA for the car itself, and I believe they got a screw in here. I believe the transmitter takes 2, so you're going to need 8 AA batteries to run this guy, which I have, but we're not going to do that just yet. This is just an unboxing video. We're going to take these little clips off here, which is a nice touch, I assume. it may give you that real RC feel, you know, versus the actual real metal clips right here. But whatever, let's just see what we got going on inside. All right, so they obviously got the antenna tied onto the body, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, my freaking phone. Sorry about that, but this is what it looks like on the inside. And I can tell you from a no pros perspective that here's your motor right here. I'm not sure what's going on in here, but this must be, you know, all the electronics and things of that nature that controls, or basically that communicates with the receiver. The transmitter the transmitter here communicates with what's going on in here to receive the information, and also helps control your steering. This has full capability of going left, right. I'm probably going in the wrong direction, but left here, right there. It does got forward and reverse, as we can see on this control here. Not much room to you know, play with the throttle. It's just one click and you're going full throttle, so you can't go like half throttle, or you know, it's full throttle. And then you let off, and I guess you just push up and go in reverse. So, and you have left and right here. So yeah, you do have a little spring suspension. You have a little bit of suspension going on there. There's nothing in the front, so you're doomed in that aspect. But it does have a very, very low profile. I don't know if you can see that right there. I mean, look at that. That's pretty low. I mean, I can't even get the phone. I can't even get the camera to, you know, show you how low of a profile this is. So doing jumps and things of that nature might be a problem, but we can also test that theory. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't mean to laugh at the thing. I was like, I'm not laughing at it. I'm just saying it looks like the perfect starter RC car for like a 3 to 6 year old. So yeah, we'll test it out and see what she can actually do. I'm not really sure if I like the clear body. Tires are staggered, so the tires on the rear are much bigger than the tires on the front, so it kind of gives it that you know, low profile in the front and a high profile in the back, which is probably why I dig it so much, you know, for the overall styling of it. But let's see how this styling adds up with performance. So if you're new around here, click that subscribe button and stay tuned for the run of this so we can put it to the test. Stay tuned for the video of when we actually test drive it. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.